Hello and welcome to the Plant Engineer channel. I research nature's most valuable plants for you, blending science with traditional uses, and sharing all the facts as they are. Today we'll be talking about the world's most studied spice, turmeric. This video is for informational purposes only. We recommend that you research the most accurate information yourself. For health problems in particular, please consult with a specialist doctor. Our channel is not responsible for any consequences arising from the use of this content. Turmeric. Humanity has placed great value on this small root for thousands of years. Scientists have studied it in over 10,000 research papers. But there are also facts that not everyone knows. It can be both miraculous and dangerous. Ready? Let's begin. Turmeric, scientifically known as Curcuma longa, is a perennial plant in the ginger family. Its native habitat is South and Southeast Asia. India accounts for over 90% of global turmeric production. The plant has a tropical appearance with its yellow-orange flowers and broad leaves. Is its rhizomes, which are located underground. When raw, the rhizomes are bright orange-yellow in color and have a sharp, aromatic scent. After harvesting, these rhizomes are dried, ground, and reach kitchens around the world. Turmeric plants can grow up to 90 centimeters tall. Their flowers are white or pale yellow and small. This deciduous plant thrives best in tropical climates with temperatures of 25 to 35 degrees Celsius and abundant rainfall. Turmeric is the main coloring agent in curry spice. In fact, pure turmeric, while appearing similar to curry, is a different herb. Curry is a mixture of many spices. Turmeric is its most dominant and healthiest component. In the food industry, turmeric is registered as a food coloring with the code E100. It is used to color many products, from cheese and margarine to mustard sauces and fruit juices, to give them a golden yellow color. Therefore, turmeric is a valuable raw material not only in the kitchen but also in industry. Turmeric and history share a very deep connection. Archaeological findings show that the use of turmeric in India dates back over 4,000 years. Mentioned as Haridra in ancient Sanskrit texts, this plant still holds a sacred status in India today. Ayurvedic medicine. Turmeric is considered one of the most fundamental medicinal herbs for restoring balance to the body. It has been used for thousands of years to treat digestive disorders, wound healing, skin diseases, and respiratory problems. It is a cornerstone of traditional Indian medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, turmeric has been used to improve blood circulation and relieve pain. Medical texts from the Tang dynasty mention turmeric in various formulations. It appears to have been included. In the Asian geographical region, the respect shown to this plant has been passed down through centuries. In India, turmeric is not just a spice, but a symbol in every aspect of life. During wedding ceremonies, the bride's skin is rubbed with turmeric paste. This ritual has continued for centuries, both for its skincare benefits and the belief that it brings good luck. This tradition, known as the Haldi ceremony, is still practiced today. Turmeric reached Middle Eastern and Arab cuisine via the Silk Road. Arab traders carried this golden spice to Europe, and in the 13th century, English records referred to it as Indian. It entered the market under the name saffron, meaning Indian saffron. Its current popularity in the Western world actually stems from very old roots. The first scientific study on turmeric was published in 1937. Since then, interest in the scientific world has increased exponentially. Its antibacterial effect was first reported in 1949, and its potential effects on cancer cells were first reported in 1985. This historical process forms the basis of modern turmeric research. Now, let's get to the real miracle of turmeric: curcumin. Curcumin is the main active compound in turmeric, making up only 3 to 5% of the plant's total weight. So, it is this small but powerful molecule that actually makes turmeric medicinal. Curcumin is a fat-soluble compound. Therefore, when consumed without fat, it is absorbed very little by the body. Scientific studies show that the bioavailability of curcumin remains extremely low when it is not consumed with oil or black pepper. So, how you consume it is just as important as what you consume. And here's the magic detail: black pepper. The compound in black pepper called piperine is a key component of curcumin. It can increase its bioavailability by up to 2,000%. That's an incredible number. So adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric transforms it into a whole new nutritional powerhouse. In addition to curcumin, turmeric contains two other compounds called d-methoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin. Together, these three are called the curcuminoid family. Scientists have found that these compounds, when working together, produce a much more powerful effect than when working individually. 1 tablespoon, approximately 7 grams, of turmeric powder contains vitamin C, iron, potassium, manganese, magnesium, and vitamin B6. It also contains powerful antioxidants and essential oils. The fact that such a small spoonful contains such a rich nutritional profile truly makes turmeric special. Curcumin is considered one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps with chronic inflammation in the body, heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and metabolic disorders. It is a hidden trigger of the syndrome. Curcumin protects the body by blocking these inflammatory pathways. In terms of antioxidant power, curcumin neutralizes free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and accelerate the aging process. Curcumin both directly combats these radicals and strengthens the body's own antioxidant enzymes. Its effects on heart health have also been supported by scientific studies. Curcumin improves the function of endothelial cells that line the inner surface of blood vessels. It can reduce atherosclerosis, balance bad cholesterol levels, and contribute to regulating blood pressure. Joint health and arthritis have yielded very remarkable results. It has been reported that curcumin supplementation in patients with osteoarthritis of the knees demonstrates a pain-relieving effect comparable to ibuprofen. This finding is significant in highlighting the power of a natural alternative. Its positive effects on the digestive system are also noteworthy. Curcumin stimulates bile production, facilitating the digestion of fats. Its supportive effects in irritable bowel syndrome and inflammatory bowel disease are being studied by scientific circles. It can also help with indigestion and bloating. Laboratory studies have demonstrated the protective effects of turmeric on liver health. Curcumin has been observed to play a defensive role against liver damage caused by alcohol, harmful chemicals, and oxidative stress. Its ability to support natural detoxification processes makes this plant particularly valuable. Its effects on the immune system are also multifaceted. Curcumin can both inhibit an overactive immune response and strengthen a weakened one. This balancing effect is being investigated across a wide range of conditions, from autoimmune diseases to seasonal infections. There is also promising research regarding diabetes. Studies have shown that curcumin can increase insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. In fact, one study indicated that curcumin showed comparable effects to some groups of anti-diabetic drugs. Curcumin for skin health, its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties have made it a compound of interest to dermatologists. The effects of topical applications on skin problems such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis are being investigated. The scientific basis for its application to the faces of Indian women for centuries lies here. Research in the field of depression and mental health is extremely interesting. Clinical studies have shown that curcumin can increase serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain and elevate BDNF, a brain protective protein. It is considered a supportive factor in major depressive disorder. Curcumin is one of the most discussed natural substances in recent years regarding Alzheimer's disease and brain health. Its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier has drawn particular attention from researchers because it may reduce the accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques, which contribute to Alzheimer's disease. In cancer research, turmeric is perhaps the most intriguing area. Laboratory studies have shown that curcumin inhibits the proliferation of various cancer cells. Positive results have been obtained in uterine, prostate, and esophageal cancer cells. However, it should be clearly stated that these findings have not yet been clinically proven. Scientists find the relationship between curcumin and cancer promising. Some studies suggest that when used in combination with chemotherapy, it may improve quality of life and reduce side effects. However, curcumin, it is absolutely essential to consult your doctor before using this medication in combination with chemotherapy drugs, as adverse interactions with some drugs are possible. Turmeric's effects on the respiratory system are also worth noting in daily life. Turmeric drinks are among the traditional remedies used during colds, flu, and sinusitis. The effectiveness of curcumin against bacteria and viruses forms the basis of this usage. Research on bone health suggests that turmeric may contribute to reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Curcumin, which has the potential to increase bone density, is being investigated, particularly in women experiencing bone loss after menopause. This area of research is still in its infancy. In the field of eye health, curcumin has also caught the attention of researchers. Experimental findings suggest it may prevent cataract development. It is also claimed that, thanks to its antioxidant properties, it may protect retinal cells from oxidative stress. These findings have not yet reached the clinical application stage. This concludes the first part of our turmeric video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. You can access the second video from the top right corner of the screen or at the end of the video. See you soon.